What do we have here? Wow, she's little. Is she injured? Yama. Yama. Hey, are you injured? Don't worry, little buddy, we'll get you fixed up. Native birds in Australia, you can take them to the vets and they fix them for free. We brought our little guy to the WA Wildlife Centre here in Coburn. These guys, they work as volunteers, they take donations, so if you want to donate, go onto this website, give them a little bit of money to help them out, and this little guy will get triaged, fixed up, and then he will be taken back to where he come from to thrive for some more years.